Ethan Rivera and the rest of the Ateneo Blue Eagles going head to head with Ronnie Milian and the rest of the NU NUNS Bullpups. Two teams in the opposite side of the standings and two teams coming off different results. Welcome everyone to another day of volleyball action here in the UAP Season 88 Boys Volleyball. As you see the games today, Ateneo going up against NUNS right now. But later on, we have two more games in the afternoon. UPIS will go head to head against UE. And later in their last game, you have FEU Diliman against the Adamson Baby Falcons. Again, good morning, everyone. This is Ayel Escaniero at your service. A lot of interesting games today. We are nearing the middle of round one. And as mentioned earlier, NUNS currently on the top of the standings. Meanwhile, Ateneo still trying to look for their first win. NUNS is tied up with FEU Diliman at 3-0. Both teams still undefeated. You have UEUST, De La Salle Santiago as well, right in the middle of the standings. Adamson Baby Falcons with the one win so far. And again, UPIS and the Ateneo Blue Eagles still looking for their first win this season, 88. So Ateneo clearly wants to get their first win, but it's gonna be a tough climb for them. They are the underdogs in this match as NUNS looking to stay undefeated. Some of the players who stepped up in their previous game for Ateneo, you have Xavier Castillo, no one in double digits in their previous game against De La Salle Santiago, so against the UE team rather, but Castillo scoring 5 points. Meanwhile, Ezekiel Biscocho for the NUNS Bullpups was able to tally 8 points. A lot of players also contributing on their team. They were able to sweep De La Salle Santiago as well in 3 sets. Ronnie Milian also one of the players who stepped up. 7 points for him in that game against La Salle. So it's going to be the team who wants to get their first win today against the second seed team in NUNS Bullpup. So let's see who will be able to start strong. Set one when we return.
First rep, Michael Tero. Second rep, Jay Garikito. Let us now meet the starters for both teams. First, for the Ateneo de Manila University Blue Eagles. Let's start with their outside hitter number 1, Ethan Rivera. Outside hitter number 5, Xavier Castillo. Middle blocker number 7, Isaac Macasero. Middle blocker number 11, Yuel Cervantes. Opposite hitter number 19, Ranidel Del Campo. Their setter and the team captain, number 3, Lucas Garcia. And their starting libero, number 13, Mateo Avila. And the head coach of the Blue Eagles, Mr. Babes Castillo. Now let's meet the starters of the Nazareth School of National University Bullpups. Let's start with the opposite hitter number 6, Drex Ragusta. Outside hitter number 7, John De Volarte. Middle blocker number 10, Ronnie Milian. Outside hitter number 15, Meson Lejano. Middle blocker number 19, Dave Maghanol. The setter and the team captain, number 16, Brian Crespo. And their starting libero, number 17, Andre Daniega. And the head coach, Mr. Edgar Baroga. It's the Blue Eagles versus the Bullpups. This is the UAAP High School Volleyball. Strength in motion, hope in action. Best of luck to both teams.
Now you have the starters for the Ateneo Blue Eagles, Rivera, Garcia, Macasero, Cervantes, Faustino, Castillo. And they have their libero, Avila. And again, they will be led by Coach Babes Castillo. Meanwhile, for the NUNS Bullpups, you have Ragosta, Olarte, Milian, Lejano, Crespo, Maghanoy, and Daniega will be their libero. Their head coach is Coach Edgar Baroga. Again, it's the second seed team in the NUNS. They're currently undefeated against the Ateneo de Manila University, who are still looking for their first win this season. So both teams in the opposite side of the standings. Crespo will start off things with a service error. Ateneo getting a free point there. So far, Ateneo has battled against FPU, De La Santiago Zobel, and UE. All teams have swept them, as Ateneo also gives away an error. Meanwhile, for NUNS Bullpups, they've won all their games against Adamson UE and De La Salle Santiago Zobel. Good pass this time. Straight to the Ocampo. Defense was there. Lejano with a chance ball to Ateneo. Middle activation. Cross-court attack will work for NUNS. Lejano will continue to serve. service ace for Elmerson Lejano, who tallied 7 points in their previous game against De La Salle Santiago Zobel. A lot of offensive weapons here on the side of NUNS. Strong serve, but a stable pass. Reverse set to Rivera. Ethan Rivera, clean attack on the right pin of Ateneo. Ethan Rivera was the second best scorer in their loss against UE. Good serve and a better pass. Combination play. But the point goes to Ateneo. Christian Dave Maghano is scraping the net. 3-all. Too long on that serve for Ethan Rivera. Christian Dave Maghanoy up to serve for NUNS. High serve, Rivera taking that first ball. Miscommunication there for Ateneo. NUNS slowly finding the rhythm here in the start of the first set. Another out of system. The Ocampo will try. Crespo. And a point for John Dave Olarte. Maghanoy has been consistent on that service line. Rivera has been a target. Bump set. Blockers were there. But Xavier Castillo powers through that time. Good answers here coming from Ateneo. You have Emmanuel Cervantes serving for Ateneo. Good pass. Crespo in combination play. A back row activation for Lejano. No blockers, no floor defense found on the side of Ateneo at that time. NUNS with a 3-point lead. Castillo will take that one. One-man block. Brian Crespo will be rewarded that kill block. Ragusta still serving. Another block from NUNS, this time to the Ocampo from the right pin. Ragusta was there for the dig. Rivera will take that one. Another try for Ateneo. And this time, Xavier Castillo will get that point off that down the line attack. Great adjustment there coming from Xavier Castillo, who has been blocked a couple of times. Three-man block there. This time, powering through was Olarte. Rivera was dug by Ragusta. Back row once more. Too wide this time for Elmerson Lejano. Good defense shown here by Ateneo. Del Campo continues to serve. Crespo 1-2 play. Avila was there. De Ocampo stepping on the line. So free point to NUNS. NUNS protects their 3-point lead here.
Now serving Dave Olarte.
John Dave Olarte serving for NUNS. Stable pass from Rivera's Iver Castillo. Going above the blockers that time. Castillo has been productive on the front row. Now he goes to the back to serve for Ateneo. Ateneo still playing catch up, but they have kept it close. Strong serve there coming from a Xavier Castillo. Service ace for Ateneo. Some muscle there coming from Castillo. Middle activation. Quick side out there for NUNS. Ronnie Milian getting that point.
Now serving Ronnie Milian.
Avila with a good pass. De Ocampo, well attacked. Milian was there. Back row to Ragusta. Ateneo solid on that floor defense. Another chance for NU to convert. And this time, Lejano getting through the hands of Ateneo.
Another serving ace.
Milian stepping on the service line will give Ateneo their 9th point in this first set. And UNS could not pull away. Ateneo staying very close. Service error there. Gives NUNS a chance to get back the momentum on their side. Brian Crespo so far with a balanced playmaking. Up to serve for NUNS. Castillo with a perfect pass. Crespo gives away a chance ball. Avila will take that one. Rivera slowing things down. Pancake save was good for Crespo. Another chance for Ateneo to convert. Rivera. Earns a point that time using the hands of the blocker. Xavier Castillo and Ethan Rivera has been sharing the load in scoring here for Ateneo. Have the team captain Lucas Garcia up to serve. Olarte will take that one bump set. Chance ball for Ateneo. They go back to Rivera. Blockers already. Crespo. This time, Emerson Lejano will be blocked. Ateneo's defense has looked very polished so far in this first set. Another out of system here for NUNS. Good swing from De Ocampo. Crespo was there for that dig. Lejano will try. Stronger attack this time coming from Emerson Lejano. 13-11 is the score.
Jay
We
Passer.
have a substitution here for NUNS. Jane Basay in for John Dave Olarte. Good spin there on the serve. Miscue for Ateneo. But NUSNS could not take advantage of that free ball. Attack error for NUNS and a free point for Ateneo. It's just a 1-point game right now. Again, Ateneo looking for their first win this season. Biniega with a good pass. A tip from Ragusta. De Ocampo with some height, but blockers were there. Good chase from Rivera. Xavier Castillo looking for the hands of the blocker. Not successful that time. And UNS with a break point. 14-12.
Now serving Dave Maghano.
High serve. De Ocampo. Crespo will set up Basay. Instant impact there for Basay. Momentum right now for NUNS. Can they finally pull away? Avila overpass. And Ronnie Milian taking that regalo. And we have a timeout here for Ateneo. Ateneo called for the timeout. Let's see if they'll be able to respond well. Castillo, De Ocampo, angling that one, but too wide for De Ocampo. Right now, NUNS with a 4-point lead. Christian Dave Maghanoy continues to serve. Short serve with a good pass. Cervantes, no go that time. Garcia wanted some middle activation there, but they could not connect. NUNS quickly building up a bigger lead. Blockers were there. Good rebound. Castillo will take that first ball. Rivera from the back row will be blocked by Ronnie Milian. Stable pass. And Castillo with that attack. And UNS recycles that rally. No one taking the first ball on the side of Ateneo. And UNS just 5 points away and taking the first set. Some substitutions here for Ateneo. You have Antonio Miguel Avendano in for Emmanuel Cervantes. Bump set to Castillo, 3 blockers. Rally still alive. Garcia in the middle. Ronnie Milian has been a formidable force on that net defense for NUNS. He has been reading the offense of Ateneo very well. High serve. Forces Ateneo to give away this chance ball. Will Crespo go to combination plays, light attack, good rebound. This time Ateneo will score. Antonio Miguel Avendano scoring off the hands of Ronnie Milian. Ateneo has to make a run here. They were able to keep it close in the start of that set, but NUNS staying consistent, especially on the service line. So far with the 8-point lead, talking about NUNS. Good pass from Diniega. Chance ball. Combination play. No blockers there for Jay Basay. Another substitution here for NUNS. We have Haris Tuliao in for Sander Agusta. NUNS 3 points away in taking this first set. Another timeout here for Ateneo. Their second and last timeout for the first set. Ateneo taking their time. Really talking things out. A lot of adjustment needed on their end. Haris Tuliao will serve for NUNS. Rivera with a good pass. Garcia. Reverse set. Chance for Ateneo. Garcia, fast low to Castillo. Castillo will be blocked. Again, NUNS just reading the offense of Ateneo. Net defense has been key here for them. Strong serve. Castillo will try again. Defense was there. Good set coming from Crespo. And that's it for NUNS. Tuliao getting a service ace. Good playmaking as well earlier. 25-14 to confirm the first set. Good start for Ateneo, but they could not sustain. NUNS pulling away with a convincing win. We have set number 2 when we return. Welcome back. NUNS taking the first set 25-13, and numbers show it all. NUNS out attacking Ateneo. They have 11 against the 6 of Ateneo. They also have more kill blocks. They have 3 against the 1 of Ateneo. And Ateneo committing a lot of errors. They have double digits in that department. They have 10 against the 5 of NUNS, who clearly played very clean, especially on that service line. So let's see how will Ateneo adjust this time after the dominance shown by NUNS. We have Macasero starting things off for us in the second set. Bump set to Lejano. Chance ball. Again, no one committing to take that first touch on the side of Ateneo. Jay Basay will start in this set together with Haris Tuliao. Good rebound, but no first touch for NUNS. Ethan Rivera with his first point of the set. Again, Rivera and Castillo sharing the bigger load of scoring for the Ateneo Blue Eagles. Meanwhile, it has been a balanced scoring production on the side of NUNS. Tuliao bump set. And you have Dais, Al-Rakib Dais also starting in this set. So Coach Edgar Baroga mixing things up in terms of players on the court. Christian Dave Maghanoy. Middle attack. Blockers again were there for NUNS. Again. NUNS really transitioning quick on that net defense. Ronnie Milian again. Ronnie Milian has been highly dependable guarding that net, closing down Ateneo. Garcia will chase a bump set. A giveaway here for NUNS. Tuliao. Straight to Ronnie Milian. Milian opting for that power tip, using that height to his advantage. 3-point lead to start things off here for NUNS. 4-1 is the score. Reverse bump set, Rivera. Won't score that time, too wide for Rivera. Better start here for NUNS, forcing Ateneo to commit some errors. NUNS was able to pull away earlier when it was Christian Dave Maghanoy serving. Let's see if they can replicate that one here in the second set. I guess not. Wide attack coming from Sander Augusta. No, from Carlo Reyes rather, who is also starting in this set, coming off a 5-point performance against De La Salle Santiago Zobel. So this is almost entirely a different set of starters for NUNS, as Ronnie Milian will score another point this time in a be quick attack. Al-Rakib Dais up to serve for NUNS. Stable pass from Avila. Good set. Blockers again were there. Tuliao going for that attack right away on that second touch. You have a 5-point lead for NUNS and an early timeout here for the Ateneo Blue Eagles. Ateneo again with an early timeout. NUNS looking to pull away early on. You have Al-Rakib Daes still serving. Straight to Rivera this time. Garcia push to Castillo. Straight to the hands of Milian. Daes will play the setter. Tuliao cross court. That will be called out. So point goes to Ateneo. You have Antonio Miguel Avendaño serving for Ateneo. Long serve for Ateneo. Still no momentum on their side here. A quiet start for Ateneo. Another chance for NUNS here to continue their momentum. Carlo Urias serving. Middle activation. Floor defense was there. Oof. NUNS still keeping the momentum on their side here. Rivera, Garcia, Macasero could not score. We have a substitution here. De Ocampo will go in for Mendoza. NUNS 10-3. Overpass and Ronnie Milian finding the corner pocket. Ronnie Milian has been laser focused in this match. Perfectly guarding that net. Taking all opportunities to score. Another good pass. Can they convert? Straight to the net that time for De Ocampo. Errors piling up here for Ateneo, giving NUNS more chances to keep the lead. Carlo Reyes still serving. Short serve won't work for Reyes. Strong serve from De Ocampo. Reverse set. Smart move there coming from Haris Tuliao. Placement shot, no one there for Ateneo that time. Ateneo slowed down here in the second set after a good start in the first set. Ronnie Milian serving, reverse set. And UNS keeping this rally alive. Rivera with a chance ball. Back set to De Ocampo. And finally, De Ocampo will score from the back row. A much needed side out there for Ateneo. Xavier Castillo had the service ace earlier, showing some spark on that service line. Can they make a run? Another good serve. But NUNS keeps that one alive. And they will score, not giving Ateneo any chance to find the rhythm. Substitution for NUNS. Joem Favila will go in for Haris Tuliao. Coach Edgar Baroga maximizing his bench in this match. Almost everyone getting an opportunity here. Favila gives away a free point for Ateneo. Score is 6-14. Ateneo serving. Isaac Macasero. And a quick side out for NUNS. Christian Dave Maghanoy. Simple yet effective attack there. The middles has been contributing some points in the second set. Another service error here for NUNS. This time from Jay Basay. Have the team captain Lucas Garcia up to serve for Ateneo. Ateneo has to make a run here. Good rebound. Garcia goes to Rivera. Rivera will be blocked. Solid net defense coming from NUNS, really challenging the offense of Ateneo. Christian Dave Maghanoy on the service line. Good pass from Avila. Good set there, but blockers again were there from NUNS. All doors are closed. And Ronnie Milian again getting a kill block. Net defense has been highly commendable here on the side of NUNS, courtesy of Ronnie Milian. Chance ball for NUNS. Combination play. Ronnie Milian pulling in the blocker. So no blocker at all there for Carlo Reyes. Joem Favila with a smooth playmaking so far off the bench. Another free point for Ateneo. Can they finally take advantage of it? Ethan Rivera will serve for Ateneo. And UNS with a 10-point lead. Favila will chase. Chance ball. Rivera will take the first ball. Castillo cross court won't work. Favila reverse set. Good block coming from Castillo. Cervantes, rather, will be credited at kill block. High set to Reyes. Some hesitations there on the side of Ateneo.
Substitution for NU. One out, number 4. Haris Tuliao.
NUNS continued to lead by 10 points and more substitutions here on their side.
Louis Gallego.
You have Louis Gallego.
Hands up to serve. Louis Gallego.
Good pass from Avila Castillo. Good defense. Garcia. Avila to the Ocampo. Too wide that time. Clarence Altoveros, the libero of NUNS, has been working well. And we have another timeout here from Ateneo. A dominant set so far for NUNS. They are leading by 11 points. Meanwhile, Ateneo still trying to find the rhythm. You have Louis Gallego off the bench, still serving. Rivera taking that one. Middle activation. Finally, you have Emmanuel Cervantes getting that point. Garcia has been trying to activate the middles. They will need more scorers here, talking about Ateneo. Bump reverse set to Reyes, who takes advantage of that big space on that down the line attack. Some teaching moments there for Coach Babes Castillo. Carlo Reyes up to serve. Safe serve. Garcia reverse to the Ocampo. The Ocampo could not adjust that time. That will give NUNS the score just 3 points away in taking the second set. Garcia to the middle. Again, defense was there for NUNS, and down the line once more, this time on the left pin for Haris Tuliao. Everything going well here on the side of NUNS, showing a lot of cohesion and discipline in their execution. Good set. Blockers were there. Back row for Rivera. Chance ball for NUNS. Tuliao playing it safe. They will recycle this rally. In between the blockers that time was Jay Basay. NUNS at set point. 24-10 is the score.
Serving for the set point. Barbares.
Garcia to Castillo. Rebound was there. Bump set to Liao. Through the hands of Macasero. And that's it. Again for NUNS, 25-10. A lot of players stepping up for NUNS. Players off the bench. Balance playmaking for all the setters of NUNS. 25-13 for set number 1. 25-10 for set number 2. NUNS looking to sweep Ateneo. Let's see if Ateneo can still extend this one. Set 3 when we return. And UNS with dominant win so far. Set number 2, 25-10. Dominant attacking there for NUNS. They have 16 against only the 4 of Ateneo. Again, Ateneo struggling to find consistent scorers in their end, although they were able to play cleaner volleyball. Talking about Ateneo, from 10 errors, they were able to trim it down into 7. Meanwhile, NUNS with 6 errors in that second set. But again, NUNS faring better in all departments so far. The second seed team so far in this season, NUNS looking to sweep their opponents. Ateneo hasn't won a set yet here in season 88. This is going to be another tough challenge for them. Despite the great efforts on their end, talking about Ateneo, they're yet to get a set. Grel Crespo starting things off. And Ethan Rivera will get the first point for Ateneo. Some force on that attack coming from Rivera. Lucas Garcia serving straight to Ragusta. Crespo with a combination play. Again, lethal offense here being shown by NUNS. You have Lejano starting again here in the third set. Short serve, good pass from Rivera. Will take that set, but could not find the hands of the blocker to get that point. 2-1. Lot of spin in that serve, but rally is still ongoing. Ragusta. Clean attack there coming from Sandrex Ragusta. And UNS locked in to get a sweep. Good pass. Garcia to Cervantes. Both teams scrambling. Ethan Rivera. What a defense there coming from Crespo. But they give away a chance ball here. Can Ateneo finally convert? And Ateneo will be rewarded that point. Ethan Rivera has been a bright spot here for Ateneo, especially in offense and passing as well. And UNS scrambling chance for Ateneo. Cervantes, last second switch. Ragusta through the hands, and a net touch violation will be called on Ateneo. Ateneo has to keep this one close. Christian Dave Maghanoy serving, and he will get a service ace. Short serves coming from NUNS. An early lead here again for NUNS, and that calls Coach Babes Castillo to call this time out. Early time out again for the Ateneo Blue Eagles, as NUNS with a 3-point lead to start things off. And good things happen when Christian Dave Maghanoy is on that service line for NUNS. Avila with a good pass. Castillo down the line, defense was there. Castillo again blocked. Reverse set to the Ocampo, who looked very uncomfortable on that set. Six to 2 in the third set, and UNS 2-0. High serve, targeting the corner pocket, won't work for Christian Dave Maghanoy. So a free point for Ateneo. Middle activation. Good dig from Castillo. Will go for that swing. Not enough height on that set for Castillo to go for a full swing, forcing him to commit that error. Garcia, Castillo again. Rebound was there. High set to Reyes. Dig was there. Rivera from the back row. Will be called 4 touches that time. Again, Ateneo struggling to convert a point. And UNS stepping up, especially with their defense. Avila with a perfect pass. Garcia reverse to the Ocampo. Ragusa from the back row, finding that big gap in between the blockers. Points coming in easy here for NUNS. Good pass. Good dig coming from Lejano. Reyes will try. Rivera from the back row. Ragusa was there. Combination play. Crespo with balanced playmaking so far. Finding the right attacker at the right time. Meanwhile, for Ateneo, passing has been very stable. But again, they could not convert. Another good pass. Combination play. Too wide for Castillo. We have some substitutions for Ateneo. Enzo Mendoza in for Ethan Rivera. You have Kim Anthony Rivera in for Xavier Castillo. Substitution also on the side of NUNS. You have Louis Gallego and Haris Tuliao in for Crespo and Ragusta. Out of system. Off the bench, you have Kim Anthony Rivera scoring a point. Finding the line that time. Rani Del de Ocampo will serve for Ateneo. Another long serve. And UNS with an 8-point lead right now. Mikael Abbott will serve and sweep for Carlo Reyes. Garcia to the middle. Defense has been stable for NUNS, but the same with Ateneo in the sequence. Another good dig. Tuliao will be blocked, but a net touch violation will end that rally. Point goes to NUNS. So far, it has been the errors helping out NUNS here. Garcia to the Ocampo. Again, Rivera through the block. Some off the bench impact here. for Kim Anthony Rivera. 2 points already off the bench. But Ateneo could not continue their momentum here. A lot of errors coming from the service line. Have another substitution for NUNS. You have Alrakid Daes for Christian Dave Maghanoy. Another free point for NUNS, and everyone showing up and stepping up for NUNS. Great show of strong chemistry here, talking about NUNS. As Ronnie Milian goes to serve straight to Avila. Middle activation again. Net defense has been so good for NUNS. Lejano will get a point through the hands of Macasero. Lack of press there from Macasero. Avila has been dependable as a libero here. Reverse set to Tuliao. But another free point for NUNS. Errors piling up here for Ateneo. You have Castillo back in for Rivera. Kim Anthony Rivera, and you have Ethan Rivera on the court again for Mendoza. Quality minutes there for Mendoza and Kim Anthony Rivera. Ronnie Milian continues to serve for NUNS. Continues to target Avila. De Ocampo gives away a chance ball to Liao. Try from the right pin. Instant point. Lot of power in that attack of Haris Tuliao. Final timeout here for Ateneo. NUNS with another dominant set. Really challenging the Ateneo Blue Eagles. 18-5 is the score. Ronnie Milian still serving. Avila with another good pass. Short set. But Ateneo will get a point of an error on the side of NUNS. You have Isaac Macasero up to serve for Ateneo. Abot stable pass. And Lejano gets a point. The long attacks has been working here for NUNS. You have Brian Crespo back in for Haris Tuliao. And you have Sandrex Ragusta. Complete front throw here for NUNS as Crespo goes to serve. Ateneo letting that one go. Service ace. NUNS 5 points away and getting another sweep. Rivera, great dig there from Taniega. And a placement shot coming from Lejano. Taniega and Altoveros, Daliberos has been guarding their zone very well. Ooh, Crespo with some help from the net. Gets another service ace, back-to-back service ace there for Brian Crespo. As NUNS 3 points away and taking a 3-set win. Avila, good pass. Ethan Rivera will try. Blockers were there. No coverage from Ateneo. And UNS closing all angles. Their blocking formation has been a key factor here defensively. Middle attack. What a dig there coming from Deniega. Rally still alive. Garcia pushing that to Ethan Rivera. Coverage was there. And Lejano will finish that rally, going to zone 1, finding that big hole on the side of Ateneo. And UNS at match point, 24-6. And Brian Crespo still serving for NUNS. Good pass. Rivera with a push. Crespo could not get that dig. Some fight here shown by Ateneo, but this is gonna be a very tough climb. 24-6. 7-24 rather. From the back row, blockers were there. Ateneo staying alive. Back-to-back points for them. Ateneo showing some grit here in the end stretch of this match. And that's it for NUNS. Ragusta finishing kick in the third set. NUNS staying dominant, sweeping Ateneo in this match. Ateneo showing some sparks. Their main gunners in Rivera and Castillo tried their best, very stable in terms of passing, talking about Ateneo, but it has been a team effort here for NUNS. All the players showing up as mentioned. Coach Edgar Baroga putting in everyone from the bench. Defense to offense was on point for NUNS. And they stay undefeated, getting their fourth win this season, 88. Meanwhile, Ateneo still looking for their first win. They will be back on the drawing board. A lot of improvements on their end. But again, NUNS came prepared. So you see the scores on your screens, 25-13, 25-10, 25-8. Again, a very dominant win here by NUNS, showing how good their chemistry is and showing some discipline in their execution, not letting go a lot of free points. As you see, the player of the game on your screens, Ronnie Milian, 6 points for him, 5 attacks and 1 block, but a lot of rebounds on that net, really making it difficult for Ateneo to convert a point. A lethal middle blocker there. And that's it for our game number 2. NUNS staying undefeated. And we have 2 more games later on. But up next, we have UPIS going against the UE Junior Warriors. On behalf of the production staff, this has been Ayala Estraniero. Thank you for watching UAAP Season 88 Boys Volleyball.